to the Parts of Math. Today we're learning about dividing polynomials.
Polynomials. Alright guys, same as always, pencil, paper, colored pencil. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the terms. There's 3 terms on the top, that makes it a trinomial. Tri means 3. 1 term at the bottom makes it a monomial. We're also going to look at the variables, which of course are the letters, and we're going to make sure that everything has an exponent. If it doesn't have an exponent, we're going to add the exponent of 1. So here we go, exponent of 1, exponent of 1. So how I like to do this, and of course you don't have to, but I like to break up the problem to make it simpler. The denominator will be the same. We're going to put it into 3 separate problems. So we're going to write our first term right here, and we're going to divide it by the denominator. We're going to take our second term right here. We're also going to divide it by that same denominator. We're going to take our last term over there, and we're going to divide it by that same denominator. Now, to divide, we're going to look at the numbers and the letters. So, 9 divided by 3 is 3. And how exponents work for division is if you're dividing exponents like this, instead you're going to actually subtract them. So, C2 minus C1 is just 2 minus 1, which gives us 1. We have 9 minus 3, which gives us 6. So that problem's finished. So we can come over here. Negative divided by a positive is a negative. 27 divided by 3 is 9. Now I have 6 minus 1, C6 minus C1 would be C5. And I have D5 minus D3 gives me D2. This problem's finished. Now I'm going to go to the end. I have negative 3 divided by a positive 3. That's going to give me a negative 1. C1 minus C1 would be 0. So that one's going to completely cancel. We don't need to write it. D3 minus D3 is going to give us D to the 0 power, which means we don't write it either. So this is our final answer. That's how you divide polynomials. I hope that helps.